You know, they say there are two things that you cannot avoid in life, and that's death and taxes. For superheroes, it's actually pretty similar, except for the death part. Such a long life that you really want to die by the time you get to 8, 9, 10,000 years old. It's enough, really. Thanks. Taxes is the other inevitability, and that is true for superheroes too. We have our own service. It's called the Superhero Income Tax Service, also known as S.H.I.T.S. We are superheroes. We save lives, but yet we have to report our earnings. We have to report any expenses incurred during the saving of lives. So if I have to destroy a city to kill or vanquish a giant monster, then I am culpable and I have to pay remuneration to the citizens and help rebuild. But yet I can't write it off. Yet, if I am rewarded by the mayor of the city, or if individuals want to buy me gifts or give me income or something as thanks for saving their lives or their property, then I have to report that to S.H.I.T.S. I'm actually being audited right now because of a couple of situations which I actually mentioned in my last video. When the satellite fell to Earth and I was eating at a restaurant and arguing with the waitstaff about some mistaken lasagna and pizza issues, I wrote off that lunch, as well as the situation where I was getting a massage and the giant monster was destroying the city. I inadvertently fell asleep because Becky had those magic hands, and no superpowers in the world could have resisted her hands and her other attributions. But again, I was on duty at the time, and even though I failed to save the city and do regret the loss of life, I felt it was a legitimate write-off, but obviously the S.H.I.T.S. didn't. However, I must say, this particular auditor happens to be extremely beautiful, very smart, funny. We've been dating, and unbeknownst to her, I have been writing the cost of our dates off as business expense, and I don't think she's gonna like that.